Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Do you like baking cakes? Did you notice that almost every recipe requires a pinch of salt? So what is a pinch of salt and how much salt is it exactly? Well, nobody knows. It's how much salt you can pinch between your finger and your thumb. And there is an idiom about it, to take something with a pinch of salt. It means to view something with skepticism and not to take it literally. For example, don't believe everything you read on the internet. Take it with a pinch of salt. That was all for today. Happy baking. Have a wonderful day and a great week. See you next Monday. Bye.